Hey guys, you don't know your pin lock? Don't worry, I will explain. Step by step, I will tell you. Press the power and volume up and down, just a 5-second long press. Then after that, you connect the USB micro cable for your PC. Now your download mode is coming. Now press the volume up button. And after that, look at that instructions, volume down and power button after 5-second long press. Just wait, cool. Do you like my video? Can you please subscribe my channel? After that, you quickly press the volume up button and charging mark is coming. That's perfect. Yeah. Now your phone is switch off. Okay, that's cool. I will tell you next step. Press the power button and volume up button. Just a long press 5-second. Next, logo is coming. Quickly release the power button and hold the volume up button. Just wait 5 seconds. After the recovery mode is coming, I will tell you, if you try this method, your data is always delete. Do you remember? Yes, because now recovery mode is coming. Now select wipe data factory reset. Press the power button and select the factory data reset. Now reboot your phone. Can you please subscribe my channel? Every day I uploaded useful video for you.